myself Dr. C. Vijay Kumar from Department of Mechatronics Engineering. Today we see about the topic of dimensions and time quality. So this topic under the course of Total Quality Management. So why we go for this TQM subject? What is the need of this TQM subject? Why we go for that study of dimensions of quality and then definitions of quality? So each and every product we are manufacturing from the industry, but involving so many persons. But we maintaining the quality only, we are giving the constant dimensions of products and then satisfy the customers. Then only we survive in the market as well as in the industry competition. So we go for the TQM. What are the needs for TQM? We see one by one. So the topic of TQM is definitions and dimensions of quality. So what are the contents we are discussed about the today's class? So first one is the introduction about the quality, then evaluation of the quality, then dimensions of quality, product quality and service quality, basic concepts of total quality management. What are the concepts we are using in the total quality management, then customer satisfaction, then customer feedback, then quality statements, then barriers to quality management. So we see now one by one. The next one is the introduction about the quality. So what is meant by quality? The continuous improvement for the production of goods and services. So keep on giving the improvement of quality in the products, then only we satisfy the customer. So we go for this quality. Then definitions of quality. There are so many definitions of quality, but we discuss about today's the definition of quality, a measure of goodness to understand how a product meets its specifications. That is the definitions of quality. Then need for quality. Why we go for this quality? What's the need of quality? So they ensure high quality products and services by eliminating defects and incorporating continuous changes and improvements in the system. If we go for any product, any systems, we are giving continuously, we are giving the improvements and we are improving the standards also. That's why we are need for the quality. The next one, evaluation of quality. So what are the steps passed for the past years? Now we are achieving the quality in 100%. First we are giving the one guru, so Walter H. Watt. He study about the statistical quality controls and process variability index. Then next Edward Deming. Edward Deming is giving 14 principles about the TQM. The 14 principles constantly we are giving the continuous improvement of the product. Then Joseph M. Juran, he is giving the definition of quality. Then Armand V. Fegman, he gave the entire concept of total quality management. Then Ishikawa, so Ishikawa gave that some fishbone diagram, that all the things we are deliberate the total quality of the product from the industry to customer. Then finally is the Takuchi give the loss of function. There's a loss of function, how much product you are producing in the industry, then how many failures occur in the particular product. These are elaborately discussed in the Takuchi concept. Then next one, dimensions of quality. We are categorizing 8 dimensions of quality in the particular product. We are seeing one by one. First one is the performance, then features, then reliability, conformance, durability, serviceability, aesthetics, perceived quality. Performance means if each and every product we need a performance. So poor performance, there is definitely give the unsatisfaction of the customer. So we are assuring the particular product is give the high performance or not. That's the first dimension. The next one, features. What are all the latest features incorporated in the particular product? That is the one focus of customer. So we added the new feature then and there in the particular product. That is the second dimension. Third dimension, reliability. So if you are giving one product to the customer, it is the more reliable to other products production from the customer, from the other industry. Then only we are easily survival in the field. Then conformance, you are giving the conformability of the particular product. The durability, it's how long your product is withstand in the field, then how long the product is withstand in the customer hand. That is the big durability. Then serviceability, easily access of service to the product for particular element. That is the next one, aesthetic. The aesthetic look is now we are placing a very major role in the field. So aesthetic look means color, then shape, these all the things under the aesthetic look. Then perceived quality, whatever the quality the customers accept, we are giving that much quality to the customer. Is easily we are covering the customer. That is the last dimension of the quality. The next one is the product quality and service quality. So what is by product quality? What is by service quality? So product quality means quality of the product is determined by the customer, while the quality of service is determined by the provider. So service is provided by ourselves means company or industry, but the quality is determined by the customer. Whatever the products we are manufacturing from the industry, then we are supplied to the product to the customer only give the final suggestions. The product is quality or not is the only the decision making is depends upon the customer. Then next one is a service quality. Service quality is depends ours. Ours means our in company or industry. We are giving the best service to the particular product for our customers. We are incorporating a number of service centers to the field. Likewise, we are giving the service effective manner in the particular product. Then next one is the basic concepts of TQM. We are categorizing three basic concepts of our total quality management. One is a customer satisfaction, next one is a employee involvement, third one is a continuous improvements. What is make customer satisfaction? Whatever the products we are manufacturing is doesn't matter. We are getting a customer satisfaction is very important. Then only we are giving a number of products, number of designs, number of new things to the customers. So without involvement of the employee, without involvement of the engineers, we are not giving the good quality product to the customer. So the first concept is customer satisfaction. So next one is the employee involvement. Based upon the customer satisfaction, based upon the customer feedback, we are giving the input to the employees. Then based upon the inputs, the employee work their commands, then given the best product to the customer. Then next one is the last one is the continuous improvement. How to give the continuous improvements to the product, continuous improvements of particular product to the customers. Then and there we are enhancing our knowledge in terms of design, in terms of machineries, in terms of new technology. Then only we are giving the continuous improvements of our product. These three concepts is mainly incorporated into the total quality management. Then next one is the customer satisfaction. How to achieve the customer satisfaction? What is make customer satisfaction? Emphasis, continuous organization, wide effort to maintain the quality in terms of customer service and satisfaction. We are giving the new things incorporated in the based upon the customer needs, and we are giving the best customer service to the customer related to the product. Easily we are satisfying the customer. Then next one is the customer focus. So how to focus the customer? If you give the high quality product, we give the new technology product to the customers, easily we focus on the customers. You get the best reputation for your company. Then what should be customer retention? So a company ability to turn customers into repeat buyers and prevent them switching to a competitor. Suppose if you give the bad quality product or you give the existing technology product, the customer easily switch over to from your company to other company. We preventing that the thing. We are incorporating the new technologies, and then you give the best service quality. We give the new things into the existing product. Then only we get the customer retention. Then customer feedback. How to collect the customer feedback from the existing customers? We are following so many ways. The first one is a command card. The command card we issue to the customers. Then it is the open questionnaire session. These can give simple open questions so that customer can answer it quickly. Then easily we are accessing how the customers thinking about our product. Then what are the changes made to our product? What are the new things incorporated in our product? These are the things based upon the command card questionnaire session. They are filling the answer. After the answer we are collecting, then we can identify what are the pros and cons in our product. Easily we are identified. Then next one is a customer questionnaire, where whenever the product will sales or otherwise, suppose the customer is come to the industry, they are buying some product, means at the time we are giving some standard questionnaire. How the product is, how to come our company, then how to get a product from our side, so what are the pros and cons in our product. At the time we are making an answer, then easily we are accessing whether our product is worthy or not, what are the things incorporated in the existing product. These are the things get from customer questionnaire. Then focus groups. Some of the product is a specialized one. Suppose for example, if you take a BMW car, Audi car, this type of car not only purchasing for all the customers, are rare customers purchasing for this particular car, you go to approach that particular person, then you get a feedback from that particular car, BMW, Audi car, what are the pros and cons of particular car, then you can incorporate new changes or new things incorporated in the existing product. That is focusing for particular customers. That is the focus groups. Then toll-free telephone numbers. Easily we are getting a command or feedback from the customer for toll-free numbers. Easily we are printed the toll-free numbers for your product. Then you easily access to the customer, then get a feedback from the customer. Then you changes made it based on the feedback. Then customer visits. Suppose if you appointed some other persons from company, you go for directly visit the in-person visit the customer, then get the feedback. Then report cards, then automatically the customer post the feedback card to the company, then automatically you get answers, then feedbacks. Then next one, quality statements. So quality statement we can split it into three categories. One is the vision statement, then mission statement, policy statement. So what is the mission statement, what is the vision statement, what is the quality statement? Each and every organization, each and every company, we need these three statements. Based upon the statements we are working. One is the vision, then mission, then quality. What is by vision? Vision statement is future goal of particular organization. Then mission statement is, it is used to achieve the vision. So towards activities we made in effective manner, we get a definitely we achieve the vision statement. Quality policy statement. So we built up all the things through quality. Whatever the quality we achieved, that is stated in the quality policy statement. This is the quality policy statement. Then next one is the barriers to quality management. What are the barriers or hurdles to implement the TQM in particular industry or one particular production of product? One is the lack of top management commitment. Each and every company, each and every industry, we having a top management people. This is the owner of organization or owner of industry. So top management people definitely they are giving a more contribution to the new changes or new technology involvement, or otherwise the existing workers education improvement. These are some contribution to the management. The next one is the high turnover management level. So once the company getting a high turnover, the company is not listening the quality and the production of the products. So that is one of the negative thing. Then attitude of employees towards quality. So the attitude of employees is very important to give the quality product to the customers. In each and every customer feedback, immediately the employer give their input to changes of the particular product. That is very important. Then lack of proper training and education. So then and there we educate our employees in the latest technologies and new things incorporated in the existing product. Then next one is a lack of coordination between the departments. There are in industry so many departments are there. Design department there, production department are there. Then finally quality checking departments are there, but these three departments may be coordinating in particular point. Definitely we are achieving the good quality product. Suppose if any mismatch of these three departments, then definitely there are lag in the quality of particular product. Then human resource barrier. Human resource, each and every industry have HR managers, HR people. These all HR people meet with the customers, what are the feedbacks they are given. These feedbacks are discussion in the forum of HR resource person meeting. Then these things are incorporated to the company peoples, then workers level. Then easily we are getting a 100% good quality product. Then poor planning, no benchmarking means if you follow any product manufacturing, definitely you are taking one benchmark. Suppose if you missing the benchmark quality achievement, definitely the product will go for lack of quality. Next one, poor planning. Without planning, we make anything, everything, it's go for bad thing or poor product manufacturing. These are some barriers of quality management. The remaining things are we are seeing in the next module. Thank you for patient listening.